2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Aus.
What's up, guys? New Tactical here, and I was just tagged in a pocket dump video from Daryl over at Knife Monkey. If you're not subscribed to him, I suggest you do. He has a lot of very good videos, knife reviews, paracord stuff. Dude can make anything. But yeah, this is my pocket dump. First off, pack of cigarettes. Everyone has a smartphone. I just happen to be recording with mine, so give me a break. One Bic lighter with a Lighter Bro Pro on it. I'm taking this off as it's on me because I just walked in. I had to make a quick stop out. Headphones, Skull Candies. Gloves. Keys with the key ninja on it and the doohickey. What else? Wallet. This is the Vita EDC wallet. You know, I just got it, just trying out. Yeah, see how it goes. Of course, my EDC bag, which has a grinder in it. I'm going to start doing some work on my knife. So it's kind of a 2 birds, 1 stone kind of thing. You know what I mean? I think that's basically it. Oh yeah. And my belt, which has a knife on there. There's a belt buckle knife on there. You guys see that? America. It just kind of goes down in there. And my Instincts Mini, my SOG, that I fashioned to the back there with a little bit of power cord and the handle. Ganzo 302B. I'll do a review on this so you guys can see more of it. It comes with the bit set. Yeah, I actually took off my belt for you guys. I hope you guys feel lucky. Usually I charge, but for you, I'll do it for free because you guys are awesome. Now I have to tag 3 people to do the pocket dump.